What's good, YouTube? In this video, we're going to talk about some bad dating advice. So before I start this, I'm still getting a lot of people who haven't realized that emails are no longer free. So I just want to reiterate, you must donate any amount of your choosing to PayPal and write your email in the message box in PayPal to get your email read. I'll chit chat in my Instagram for short, simple questions, but I'm not getting into any lengthy conversations in my DMs. Those are emails and those are no longer free. Like I said, you must donate any amount of your choosing. I have to charge for my time. I know that disappoints a lot of you, but I have a family and a full-time job. It's not like I'm just sitting around waiting for something to do. Free emails are just no longer sustainable. I have way too much going on and my time is too precious. So with that said, let's dig into this topic. One of the silliest comments I always encounter on my YouTube channel is the blanket "just be yourself" comment. There is always someone in the comment section who completely misses the entire context or subtext in the video and just assumes that I'm speaking in absolutes and that the points that I'm making, I mean for everyone and every situation. And no matter how pointed the topic is, there's always someone in the comment section, either literally or figuratively, saying, F what this guy is saying, just be yourself. Oh my God, that's so deep. Damn, I wish I thought of that. You know, you should make a YouTube channel and share your wealth of knowledge by answering questions in 30-second videos by telling people to just be their self. I'd watch them. Profound advice. Absolutely profound. Anyway, so on top of that point, usually not being relevant to the more particular subject matter in my video, it's an oversimplification. It assumes that being yourself is always conducive to getting the results that you want. It assumes that yourself is a person who genuinely has their shit together. As if yourself couldn't possibly have any improvements to make as a person. Or that all yourself's decisions are healthy and wise. It assumes that discontinuing the annoying habits that you have that are running men away would somehow be betraying your identity. It confuses practice with personality and identity. The truth is, the practice or the habit is disposable. The person or the personality is not. Seeking advice isn't a betrayal of self. It's adjusting, it's growing, it's evolving. It's not like you're betraying your morals, values, or integrity, or operating against your own self-interests. Just be yourself is the basic shit that a person tells you when they don't have anything to tell you. Now, to be clear, I'm not dissing everyone who's ever said it in my comments. Sometimes it does fit the context of the argument or the conversation being had. I'm speaking more particularly about the never change for no man crowd that seems to give so much horrible advice in my comment section. If you have things that need correcting, or if your mistakes have led you to one of my videos, and someone in the comment section tells you to just be yourself, bullshit. You better be some damn body else. Somebody smarter, somebody who makes better decisions, somebody with discernment, someone who's a better judge of character. Somebody who knows their worth, who doesn't take shit, who loves themselves. Someone who removes toxic people and habits from their life. Who self-assesses and self-improves, who can admit that they have a problem. Someone who takes control of their life. Be somebody else. Every day you have a choice. Many times the "screw this guy, just be yourself" comment comes from women who belong to what I like to call the she-woman man-haters club. Shout out Little Rascals. They basically think that a man should never have anything to say to a woman about how she should conduct herself, and that no man should ever give a woman advice, even if it's about men. They have completely turned against men, and in many cases for good reason. I get it. However, the overwhelmingly majority of people on this earth are heterosexual. That means men need to impress women and women need to impress men. And we all need to impress ourselves. We all need to be people that we can be proud of. And every day I talk to women who aren't. Chronic bad decision making and low self-esteem has brought them to a place to where they're desperate for an improvement. They aren't happy or proud of what they've done. Some of y'all in the comment section ought to be ashamed of yourselves telling those women not to improve simply because a man suggested it. If you really cared about them, you would at least offer another alternative. No matter who suggests it, resisting the natural need to evolve is idiocy. For example, someone might write me like, "Kevin, my life is in shambles. I'm not sure why I let this man walk all over me, and he only comes over when he wants to have sex, and he yells at me when I try to press him for more. I love him so much, but he treats me like trash. Kevin, can you please do a video about thus and so?" So I'll do the video to help that woman out, and somebody will always get in the comments not knowing the background or the motivation behind the video, and they'll be like, "Girl, don't ever listen to no sorry ass man," or something like, "Kev Hick, your videos oppress women." Girl, if you don't get your empty-headed ass out of my comment section. Hating all men won't improve your life. Self-esteem will. Getting more respect will. Getting better results with men will. More control of your relationships will. Not getting used will. Watching your own back will. Having self-respect will. Discontinuing self-destructive tendencies will improve your life. Not hating men, especially random men who aren't doing anything but trying to help. And just a tip for those women who are tempted to take advice from angry women, notice the prejudice and resentful tone that they take in their comments. And also note the lack of understanding and personal responsibility. A disgruntled person can only advise you on how to be like them. That's like a homeless person giving financial advice. If they had valuable wisdom on the subject, they wouldn't be in such a effed up place in life. Telling you women that everything was the man's fault and that you have never made a mistake with guys would make a lot of y'all ladies feel really great. My comment section will be full of women saying, "Yes," and praise hands emojis. I would get more likes, shares, and views than I have ever gotten, but it would be bullshit. I would be pandering and pacifying, but I wouldn't be helping. I'm not here to kiss anybody's ass for views. I'm here to help. So the next time you put your problems in the comment section and someone jumps in and just tells you to be yourself, consider the source and make sure it's in context to what your actual issue was. Because some of us need to be a whole different person than we've been. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Buy a t-shirt or donate to my PayPal to support the channel. Or you can follow me on Instagram at KevHick24. I'll get with y'all later.